Hello everyone, welcome to Gita's Power. Today let us know the 61st verse of second chapter in the Bhagavad Gita. Tani sarvani samyamya yukta asita matparaha vasehi yasyendriyani tasya prajna pratishtita. The translation of this verse is: having controlled all the senses and concentrating on his mind, he should sit for meditation, devoting himself heart and soul to me. For he whose senses are under his control is known to have a stable mind. Hare Krishna.